In the world of textiles, perfection is not only created during weaving or knitting, it is refined during finishing. Welcome to the stage of mechanical finishing and shrinking control, where fabric is engineered for stability, durability, and premium performance. As the fabric moves through the finishing line, one of the most critical processes begins: sanforizing. Using controlled compressive shrinkage technology, the fabric is gently compressed and stabilized. This process carefully relaxes the fibers, minimizing future shrinkage during washing and wear. The result is a fabric that maintains its original shape and fit, even after repeated use. For synthetic and blended fabrics, the next step is heat setting. Here, the fabric passes through precisely controlled heated chambers. Under carefully monitored temperature and tension, thermoplastic fibers are stabilized. This locks the structure of the fabric in place, ensuring dimensional stability, smooth texture, and consistent performance. Next comes calendaring, where fabric meets polished rollers under controlled pressure and heat. This process compacts the fibers and smooths the surface, enhancing fabric appearance and feel. Depending on the desired finish, different techniques are used, from simple calendaring for a smooth touch to friction and glazing calendaring for a luxurious shine and refined luster. Finally, the fabric enters the napping or raising process. Specialized rollers gently lift the fibers from the fabric surface, creating a soft, warm texture. This technique transforms ordinary textiles into comfortable materials such as flannel and brushed fabrics, adding both insulation and softness. Through precision engineering and advanced machinery, mechanical finishing and shrinking control ensures that every fabric meets the highest standards of quality, performance, and comfort. Because in modern textile production, true excellence is not just woven, it is carefully finished.